Hey, it's Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm going to be doing more talking. I'm getting false copyright claims from YouTube, so until that gets resolved, you'll be hearing more of my voice and no music. Anyway, I just wanted to update my minivan, and I want to take you along in that process, so I hope you enjoy this, and subscribe if you're not already. And hit the notification bell to keep following this process. Thank you. So I put the seats down in the back. I was using the back seat as a bed, and that was working for a little while, but then I didn't like it. So I am changing out the carpet. This is my basic floor cover. I'm vacuuming it right now, getting it all cleaned up, and put new layers down for more insulation and comfort. I don't know if you can see, I've got this really old vacuum. I just love it. So I wasn't sure if I was going to use this old carpet, and I ended up deciding not to use it. Decided just to put this other rug thing. It actually used to be a big poncho that the middle was sewn together. And it's heavy, and it makes great flooring and insulation for the van. So that's the next layer I put down. I decided to take out the old gray carpet I decided not to use and just use this brown blanket. So you're going to follow along as I figure this out as I go. I want to move the shelves a different way. So my pajamas I never wore on my last trip. This up here. I had to try to do all this sort of stealthy in my mobile home park because we're not supposed to be working on cars or doing anything in the park, basically. And I don't really want everybody knowing my business, so I mean, I'm on YouTube, but my neighbors, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about them, so let's see this. So my outdoor camping stuff. So I think I want to put the food and stuff towards the back. I'm still trying to decide. Or I should put my clothes. I think I'll keep that one there, actually. I had it like that before, and it worked pretty well. So I'll be climbing in and out this side of the van, my left side. I think I'll just put this one towards the back next to the bed. The bed's gonna go, I'm not really sure. Well, we'll have to come back to this in a minute. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I've moved it shelf, it was there. And I've got some more insulation for the floor and padding. And my clothes and stuff will be there. I'll still have room for my toilet stuff here. A little space to work with there. My ice chest will be in the same place as it was. I'll be back with this other carpet. I want to try this carpet. Look at this rug. I was thinking of using, I'm not sure. I like to have these kind of rugs towards the front because I'm going in and out, and they're easier to take out and clean. So I'm gonna, that's what I had here before. This is just gonna go across here. Hey, stay. I'm trying to hook a bungee cord. There. Ah, I got my bungee cord hooked. Okay. I got all these bungee cords now. And I can straighten out my rug. Let's see. This rug here. I want it to go under this. Well, maybe it doesn't have to go under. It's going to come right up to my kitchen shelf. And that way, if dogs have an accident or a spill, I can just take the rug out. And then this will keep the rest of me nice and warm. I have some other small rugs. So there's my floor, my bedroom, and the chair that will be my bed needs to come in. So I'll see if I can do that next. There. So now, as you can see, it's kind of hard because it's really close up. So there is my new setup, and I put it, last time I had it with the head that way, but this time I put the head part this way because if I want to sit up and have my back hatch open for a beautiful view, or just look out the window to a nice view, I can lift up the bed. And I can store things under there, and then I can lift it up to get to them, or to get into my kitchen. So I think that will work. Now I have to lock everything down with the bungee cords, which I have a pile here. Okay, so I have that in place. I bungeed it, not really going to go anywhere. Now I have to put the bedding on it. So here is my memory foam topper. And it's a little wider than the bed, and that's okay because I want it to come up a little bit here. And the bed will feel a little bit wider. So I'm going to pull the bed over. But before I do that, I have this table. I forgot I want to, where I put it on that end, this end, I think I'll put it on that end, this table. And I'll show you the table. have this table that my mom made, and it's so neat that the feet fold up. I always forget how to push a little thing in. Oh, little lever. The feet fold up. So I'm going to put it at the end of my bed. If you look at my other videos, you'll see how it was set up before. Okay. I'm going to put it on this side. Okay, so that's not going to work either because I'm going to put these shoes outside. Now the bed sits up on it. Now, see, van life is so trial and error. You never know how anything's going to work sometimes. Not going to work. So, here's the bed. And I can still lift it up. So that is how that's going to work. And we're starting to run out of daylight, so I may have to do something else or finish this and tomorrow, another day. I can cover this though, and I have and if you saw my video, I made another cushion for the bed to make it even more comfortable. So I want to show you that too. There. There. Now there's my mattress. And then, I want that. And I have a very cozy bed. Oh, I could totally sleep in here. Yes. Okay. I can't even make the dog sleep down there. There. Okay. So that is it for now. We'll be back at it tomorrow or when it's not raining. Down. There we go. I still have room right here. There's space in here. I want to put stuff. I have space there. This is give you a better look. I made this. I have a video on that. And yeah, I just have to figure out what to do with that table. So there's more work to do, which we'll get to soon. Okay. That's for my where I strap my water in there. I can still get in and out stealth. I climb over this into the back. My ice chest fits right here. Still, my little porta potty will fit right here. This is still going to be my bathroom area. I can have storage there. I might try to strap the table somehow there, but I'm not sure how. But I'll figure out something. Hi everyone, it's Gretchen, Possum Fun and Frugal. I am updating my minivan and I want to bring you along. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I mentioned in the video, you're going to hear my voice instead of music in all of my videos for a while because YouTube or my editing software, I'm not sure which, is having an issue with copyright claims on the music. My editing software was updated recently, and ever since then I'm getting copyright claim after copyright claims, and they are claiming that they get the music right from YouTube library. So either that's not true or YouTube hasn't, I don't know, there's a disconnection there and I don't know how to figure that out. I've asked for advice. I'm not getting responses from YouTube. Just a claim from the editing software customer service that all the music is free from YouTube. Anyway, so you get to hear my voice, which may not be so good. I don't know. But I wanted to share my updated van remodel and have you come along as I do it. And I stopped this one abruptly. I didn't give it a very good ending, so sorry about that. But there's more to come, and as of this video there are more clips, but I didn't want the video to be too long. So subscribe if you're not already, and if you are, thank you so much. And hit the notification bell and you'll know when the next video pops up, and any of my videos. And yeah, so follow along. I'm going to be doing some interesting, or I did, some interesting changes to the minivan for my next camping adventures. I'm hoping there might be something before the RTR, I guess. I'm kind of excited. So check it out, and I'll see ya in the next one.